Don't apply border like this. Instead, try this. First of all, select the range where you want to apply the border. Then press Alt, H, L and to open conditional formatting. Select this option. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now let's input equal. Pick the first cell of the range and press F4 twice. Put difference, then empty and the condition. Then change the formatting. Select outline, press OK and OK. Now when I type any name here, you can see the add the border automatically. So dear friends, how was the tricks? If you really like this type of video, then what you have to do? You have to follow this channel or do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.